Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to change your profile picture on Spotify like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. It really helps me and the channel grow and I really appreciate all your support. To begin with, let's open up your Spotify app on your iPhone. Now make sure you're on the Home tab by pressing on Home at the bottom left. Now at the top right, tap on the settings icon, then tap on your name. Now tap on Edit Profile. Now from here, tap on Change Photo. You can choose from the library or you can take a photo using the camera. The photo needs to be 500 pixels by 500 pixels and it needs to be a JPEG format. I'll choose a photo from my library. Now, once you've selected the photo, you can zoom in or out and move the frame around as per your choice. Once you're happy, press Choose. Now, at the top right, press on Save. Your profile photo will now be updated to the one you chose. And there you go, that is how to change your profile picture on Spotify app. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.